Okay, another little binomial expansion example. So we've got 3x minus 2y all to the fifth power. So we've got our triangle here. This bottom row in this case, because it's a fifth degree, so this row is going to give us the coefficients that we need. And so I'm going to go ahead and just write it out down here below. We're going to need a little bit of space to do this. So let's follow the pattern. So first term and second term. So first term to the fifth, and then we start using these coefficients. So plus 5, second term to the fourth. Remember, it's counting down, and the second term is going to start counting up. Plus 10. So I'm going to list it all out, and then we're going to clean it up all together. So plus 10, and then our first term, remember, counting down, so it's going to be a third now. And our second term is counting up. Plus 10, first term squared, second term cubed, and then where are we at? Plus 5, and first term to the first, second term to the fourth, and then one more term. It's long, isn't it? Negative 2y, that last term, all to the fifth. So that's a lot there. Now let's go through, we'll clean this thing up. So 3x to the fifth. Well, let's do 3 to the fifth power. So 3 to the fifth is 243. So that's 243 x to the fifth. Now this next one, we've got a few numbers. Again, I like to list it all out and then just clean it up all together. So we've got negative 2 times 5, so that's negative 10. 3 to the fourth is 81 times negative 10, so minus 810 x to the fourth, y to the first. So far we've done these first two. Let's keep going. So now we've got 10 times 27, so that's 270 times 4. 270 times 4. So 1080, so plus 1080 x cubed y squared. Notice our signs are going to alternate here, just the way it works out with the powers. So the next one's going to be minus. So now I've got 10 times 9, so that's 90 times 8. 90 times 8, so it's at 720. X squared y cubed. Now I've got 5 times 3, so 15 times 16. So 15 times 16 is 240. And it's x, y to the fourth. And then one last term there, 2 to the fifth. Make it over here just so you can see it. So 2 to the fifth power is 32. So it's going to be minus 32 y to the fifth. So big and long here. Let's show it the whole thing. So 243x to the fifth minus 810x to the fourth y, 1080x cubed y squared minus 720x squared y cubed plus 240x y to the fourth minus 32y to the fifth. So it takes a little bit of doing, but again, notice we just expanded that big old binomial expansion relatively quickly. Pascal's triangle and using these patterns we've talked about.